So in this training, our focus is to show you guys how to start a 10K per month, 5 figure per month business quicker than 99% of people out there. And today, especially if you were overwhelmed, if you are confused, right? In this training, me and Nate want to help you end that confusion today because we are going to break down a proven business model that has generated me and Nate well above multiple 7 figures online. And we want to show you how easy it is for you to copy it today. Before we get started, today's training, you're going to learn these 3 things. Nate, what are those 3 things they're going to learn?
Yeah, guys, so you're going to learn how to leverage your time, find the path of least resistance to launch your business, and see results faster than you've ever thought possible.
Boom. So before we get started, just very quickly, this same business model has completely changed my life and also Nate's life around. So you can see where we came from, right? Nate was a blue collar truck driver. I used to deliver vehicle parts, right? Through this business model, right now, me and Nate can take our family travel around the world whenever we want. Now we are making multiple 4 figures per day, right? Nate, how many in last 3 days? How much money that we have brought in using this business model?
I don't know how much in the last 3 days. Well, I do, but in the last 5 days, we've done over 20K. So, and that's just with one of our products. That's not even what else is going on in the back end. So,
yeah,
it's been quite a crazy week, guys. Like, I'm not saying you guys are going to come into this and do that right off the bat. Me and Daniel know how to market, right? So,
yeah, but you're gonna see the business model. Imagine right now you can launch a business at home, right? Then potentially bringing in 5 figures per month. Right now in 2024, the everything changes. Well, in order for you to build a successful business, you don't need to get a huge bank loan like traditional brick and mortar business, right? Right now you can use internet and create some amazing results just at home. So Nate, talk about that. Give us some insights. If people want to make money, apparently they have to know where the money is. Tell us where the market demand is right now.
Pretty much, guys, the e-learning industry is booming right now, and it's predicted to hit a $300 trillion industry by 2030, guys. Like, it's booming right now, right? The world's going crazy right now, right? You can learn more online these days than taking a college degree. Like, it's absolutely insane. There's influencers out there in all different types of niches. People want to learn, like even in the travel niche, people want to learn, right? It's crazy. The e-learning industry is booming right now, and we just want a little piece of that pie. Why don't you? Like,
Nate, you know what's crazy? My wife just walked into the door, right? And like you guys know already, he just recently got his real estate agent license. And I think yesterday, 2 days ago, she finally found a broker because you have to join a brokerage company in order to exercise your real estate agent license to sell house, right? So she finally found a company she can join. You know, first thing they do is to ask her to buy couple courses. So that's another $2,000 gone. So you have to purchase couple courses and watch it, go through it in order to qualify to work inside that company.
Well, it's not even that. Like, even for the oil field and forestry, you got to take a bunch of courses before you can even get on the job site. You got to take an H2S course, a first aid course, right? Fall arrest, confined space. The list goes on, right? Like, people don't realize, like, you're taking courses just to get a job, right?
Yeah.
It's the same thing, right? So, like, why not build your own empire by learning how to do certain skills?
Yeah.
You can start for free and start earning online by using Fiverr these days. You can start doing Amazon influencer for free.
Absolutely.
Like, you can do affiliate marketing for free. You just gotta learn the darn skills.
That you know what's funny? Like 4 years ago, right? Almost 4 years ago, when I was on food stamps, and when we were just about to start our online business, my wife was the one who called me crazy. He say, why do you want to do this online business thing? It's not real. You are crazy. Now, when I look around, you spend $2,000 on that course. You are crazy.
My wife thought I went nuts when I started doing TikTok videos, man. She thought I'd gone off the deep end, right?
So
Now
yeah,
we're
if
traveling
you
the world to places we've never been, that we've always dreamed of, right? So
yeah
it's amazing
yes.
what she can do, man. So guys, let's get to her.
Let's get to it. So if you want to, I mean, now everybody can make money online. There are so many products that you can sell. We're also going to give you some case studies in this training. But if you want to start, there is nothing better than start from selling digital products. What are digital products, Nate?
So like digital products are like ebooks, your like video subscriptions, even like Netflix. That's a digital product, right? Like softwares, like we run software Funnel Freedom. That's a software, right? You can there's a bunch of softwares like AI tools and anything that you can buy digitally online is pretty much a digital product. Ebooks, PDFs, mer products, whatever, right? If you can buy it online, it's pretty much a digital product unless it has to come physical, right? So, but
Yeah.
ebooks, your video products, softwares, right? It's pretty much any subscription you buy online. Think of it like a gym membership. You can order your gym membership online nowadays.
Yeah.
Digital product.
Why you want to start from selling digital products? Because it's digital. It means that you don't need to have any inventory cost. You can just sell it again. And in 2024, if you don't know this already, you don't even need to create your own products. Just simply partner up with other successful companies who have a product that's proven to sell. Then you just simply partner up with them, promote their products, and make money that way. That's how me and Nate got started. And now this is one of our products, right? This is our coaching program. We're gonna show you exactly how to put everything together, right? So you know how to launch your digital business. This one product alone, this is our landing page. Nate will walk you through what exactly this page is for. So anyway, the skill is very simple. How to use social media to find targeted customers, visit your landing page. So this product, we generated over $600,000 from this product alone. This is another product that we are selling right now. Again, digital products. This is our POP program, right? This one, we just launched it not too long ago, 3 months ago, 2.5 months
Yeah,
ago.
it was
This
it was
one,
it was in May, so that's not
yeah,
too bad.
this one really brought in $95,000 digital business. How exciting is that if you can have a business like this, right? So not only that, us using this same business model, Ankush, one of our coaches in India, he made over $4,700 in a day. In a day. This is another example. Michelle, using this business model that we're gonna show you in this training, she made $500 in a day while taking her vacation, right? How powerful is that if you can do that? This is Bruce, our student, used this business model. He achieved his first $10,000 earning online while he works his busy 9 to 5. And also this one, Nate, you want to talk about this one?
Yeah, and guys, you can literally promote anything, even physical products. Erin here, she just actually purchased this product here, a necklace of hers, right? And she found out that it actually has an affiliate program. So she signed up, became an affiliate, made a quick 5-minute story post, and made her first sale online from 5 minutes of work. And somebody bought that product from the link in her video, and she made $12.10.
Was just
You can
5 minutes. He
guys.
said
I
only.
I know people who promoting seaweed.
Yeah.
So
Yeah. So yeah, you can with the same business model, you can sell or promote anything you like. So what's the business model? What's the business model, right? It's very simple. This is our entire seven-figure business, the backbone of it. Now you want to walk us through this business structure so people can learn?
yeah, guys. So the whole point of the opt-in page, guys, is to collect that information, get that email, right? Because we want to build our email list. Without an email list, you don't have a business. So first thing we want to do is get people to put their email address in. Usually we do that by offering them something free on the next page, EI webinar video or more information or maybe a free ebook or whatever it is, right? But collect that email on the first page, the opt-in page, right? Which gets them put into an email sequence. We'll talk about that in 2 seconds. After they put in their email address, right, they get sent over to the sales page. Yeah, webinar page, sorry. And it gives them more information. Or it's like a lot of affiliates I know will, if they're promoting a certain product, they'll create a video that talks about it, right? Explains why it's been beneficial to them, right? And get them over to the next page, right? So you're pretty much just building that relationship and becoming relatable with your audience, right? So that's why a webinar page is always a great page to have, so you can start connecting with your audience. Then once they click that, get over onto the next page. So that's the order page, right? Oh, I like this product, right? Somebody comes, buys from that page, cha-ching, you get paid a commission from somebody purchasing that product, right? Normally, a lot of times this order page will actually be the company that you're promoting, so you don't even have to worry about it. The telling and selling the company normally does for you. So if they don't buy on that page, though, we still have their email address. Now we can start leveraging the emails, right? Start sending them valuable information, why this product is useful, right? What this product can do for them, right? Or just give them some free information, some valuable information, and then build that relationship and then start introducing more products to them, right? Within that niche, right? So if they buy in any of those emails, you also get paid commissions, right?
Wow. Yeah. Is that simple enough? Because this is exactly how we made over 3 points.
The best part about all this that you see in front of you is it's all automated.
It's all
It all
automated.
happens automated.
All
To get them to that opt-in page. Once they get into that opt-in page, everything's automated. You just have to set it up first. Once it's automated, you get money. You can even make money in your sleep.
That's right. So we just want to show you the backbone, the structure of it. But like Nate mentioned, once you put everything together, this machine runs by itself. That's why we show you the image. Like this program, we did over $600,000. All we focus on is to getting more people visit our landing page, put in their email. Then our freedom machine does the work. Same thing apply to our POP program, right? This one we made almost 6-figure already, and we just focus on getting people to visit our landing page, put in their email. Then machine does the work. Do you think you can learn how to do this and make additional money online? If you want to do this, and if you need that additional help, me and Nate personally help you put everything together, just like our students, right? If you are ready to hit $10,000 in 12 weeks or less, starting from scratch, I want you guys to drop 10K. The keyword is 10K. Drop it in the comment down below. Then me and Nate will reach back out to you guys to break down the entire business in more details for you and see if we are in a position to help you as well. And Nate.
Yeah, because guys, marketing is marketing. Once you actually learn the marketing skills that it takes to promote products online, doesn't matter what the heck it is, guys. I've promoted these shoes. I also promote over 125 all-inclusive resorts worldwide, right? I do Amazon influencer, right? So like there's so many. I also do Fiverr. I've made money on Fiverr doing gigs, right? There's so many different ways that you guys can earn online. You just got to open your eyes, right? Drop your ego and learn, right? It's literally you got to learn, right? It's just the same as you've never ridden a bike before, right? So you learned how, right? You never knew how to do the job that you're doing. You learned how. Right? It's the same thing. Just a lot of times it's fear of failure that holds people back. Well, I'm telling you, if you don't take action, you're never going to change. You have to be the change that's ready to change, right? So, guys, I'm telling you right now, if you guys want to actually have a 2025 without the stress, I'm telling you, learn digital and affiliate marketing. These skills have not only changed my and Daniel's lives, but thousands of our students' lives and hundreds of thousands of other people's lives.
Yeah, some of you guys, right? If you want to have a 5-figure per month business or eventually scale it to 6 figures per month, right? Take a screenshot of this diagram because this is the entire business. And you can use this to sell anything you like. That you see me and Nate, right? Not only selling our own coaching program, our own master resale rights program, but you also see us promoting different companies' products. Me and Nate right now have about 17 different income streams, all on autopilot because of this structure. Because you see all this email sequence, right? We can add in different offers at the back end. Then machine will do the work for us. All we need to focus on is to learn marketing skills so we get more people to visit our opt-in page. That's it. Everything else is automated. So if you want to learn how to do this and also launch your business, hit that first $10,000 in 12 weeks by following a step-by-step guidance, right? Drop 10K in the comments down below. Then me and Nate will reach back out to you and see we will be a good fit or not. And other than that, Nate, do you have anything you want to say before we hop off?
No, just happy Friday 13th, everybody. Hope you all had an amazing week, right? Have a safe weekend going into the weekend here. But yeah, no, I'm excited. I'm waiting for my kids to be home in about 90 minutes. So I'm pumped, guys. Have a great day, and we'll catch you on the next one.